how to calculate a cryptocurrency like Shiba or Bitcoin market cap. Here we can kind of determine if a price goes here, the market cap has to be here, and let's go ahead and find out right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm so excited to be here with you right now. Now let's go ahead and determine the market cap for Shiba first. This is the current price as of right now. Yes, the price is going up and down, but we're focusing on the market cap. Now we're going to take the price, we're going to copy the price just like this, copy, and go back to coingods.org. This is the website, and I'll have it right below this video. And I'm going to paste it right here. Paste it just like that. Just like that. Now I'm going to look at the circulating supply, and I'm going to go all the way down here because it's a better way of collecting the entire circulating supply. It's a big circulating supply. I can copy this, check this out, and I can go to coingods.org and put right here, paste it here. And this, my friend, is the market cap of Shiba. That's the market cap of Shiba. If I go back here, it's pretty close enough. Look at that. Pretty close, right? So this is how we can kind of determine certain factors. If the price, if let's say we've been hearing 1 cent a lot of Shiba getting into, I do believe in the future Shiba would hit this number, but I don't believe it this year. I'm thinking in the future. So if I said 1 cent here, this is what the market cap has to be for Shiba. Let's keep the circulating supply where it is for now. And that's what the market cap has to be if it hits 1 cent. Can it happen in the future? Anything is possible. And if I hit $1 here, look at that market cap here. This is just Shiba. If there's $1, their market cap has to be that number. So yes, we definitely have a long way to go, but anything is particularly possible. If I go another number right here, like this is a number I think it could get soon, something like that. I think that is definitely I think that's definitely can happen in the next year or so. So this is how we can kind of determine the pricing and can determine the factors. If a price hit here, the market cap has to hit here. Let's do something, another asset that you may be aware of, and let's do Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin's price is this price here, and let's copy it, which is over 34,000. Let's copy the price. Let's put it right here. All right, let's go to the circulating supply like we did, just like Shiba did. We'll take this, copy this, and we'll paste it like so. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, so now that is the circulating supply, and we have the actually price of Bitcoin. And check this out. The market cap is that. So it's pretty close. Even though the price is changing as we speak, it's pretty close. Now, there's been rumors that Bitcoin can hit up to $100,000 per Bitcoin coin, then, which I believe it will in the future. And that's what the market cap has to be. We did see it hit about, what, 65,000. Hitting $100,000 can definitely happen in the near future. And that's what the market cap has to be for Bitcoin, which it definitely can happen. So you want to do another one? Okay, let's do another one. How to calculate your cryptocurrency market cap. So let's do another one as well. Let me go ahead and zoom out here, and we go back and put here, and let's do another one here. Let me see if Leash has one. Okay, so let's do Leash. Let's do a Leash one, and let's do Leash. Let's take the price, the Doge killer, which is basically Leash. I think Leash is a very, man, I think it's very underrated. Man, Leash is. I really do. And then that's the price of Leash. And then we got, well, let's go to the circulating supply. Let's go all the way down here. If I can get all the numbers. Okay, it doesn't have there, but let's just take what we got. This is what we have here. Copy. Go back to coinguides.org. And let's see if that's correct. That is correct, because the market cap is this number. Let me zoom in, and the market cap is that number. Now let's say if Doge Killer Leash can get to 10,000, which I believe it can, because it got close to that back in May, then the market cap would definitely grow to that number there. Let's even say 20,000. Can it get to 20,000? That's what the market cap has to be. So that's how we can calculate the cryptocurrency market cap using Shiba, Bitcoin, and Leash. You want to use those three examples. Go ahead and play with it around yourself, or play with this around yourself. Go ahead and play with the numbers with yourself. I have the link in the description box, coinguides.org. And that's how you can determine and use this as a guide and a strategy in determining your next move with Shiba or any other coins that's on your portfolio. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Don't worry, I'll have the link in the description to this website itself. You can go ahead and start practicing and start doing some of your analysis yourself. And I'll see you on the next video. Hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this, because this is the place to be for Shiba swap tutorials and more. I'll see you later.